Okay guys, we're coming to the end of the plant milks I wanted to cover. There are still plant milks out there that you could make. I never made any macadamia nut milk or pistachio nut milk. But, you know, that's something you guys can experiment with if you want to. I'm making garbanzo bean milk here. I have my garbanzo beans in this little dish that have soaked for 24 hours in fresh water. So I'm going to drain them and put them in my blender. Okay, here comes the water. I will blend these and put them through my nut milk bag, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here it is all strained and it is ready to go into the pot. And I'm going to have to cook it over low heat for half an hour. Okay, I have cooked it for half an hour over very low heat and let it cool just a little bit. And now let me pour some out. This is really good. It has a very savory flavor. I don't know how it would work out if you wanted to like add vanilla and sweetener to it and make it, you know, like a good drink for kids, but it's very tasty. I like the flavor of this much better than the split yellow pea milk. So now I'll be back with soy milk. Okay, these are my soybeans, and I decided to try something different for a change. I usually just soak them and treat them like all the other legumes, but apparently if you don't soak them, but you put them in the pot with some water just to cover and boil them for 2 minutes, you will get less of the soybean flavor. So let me put these in my blender. Okay, now I'm going to add the water. And I'm going to blend these. The thing about the soybeans is that you don't want to blend them for too long. They are more difficult to extract the nut milk from once it gets in the nut milk bag. I don't know why, but it takes a lot longer to squeeze the nut milk out of soybeans. So I will blend these and put them through my nut milk bag and be right back. Okay, so here's the strained soybean slurry, and I'm going to put it in my pot. You know, at first glance I'm thinking, I don't know if I like this other method of processing the beans, because the milk seems a little thin. But I'll be back. I have to cook this on low heat for half an hour. Okay, here is the soy milk. I have cooked it for half an hour and allowed it to cool just enough to be drinkable without burning my mouth. And let me pour some into my glass. Yeah, it still looks kind of thin. I don't know. I may do a comparison. Well, it doesn't have a super strong soybean taste, but I don't know if it's that much of a difference, if it's really worth it to you know, because the lower processing time means you're not getting as much of a slurry. You know, you're not getting as much of the bean into the milk. So anyway, I will have the recipes on my blog, and I will link them in the description. And And just a few notes. I am adding all my Vegudairy videos to a playlist, and I link the playlist in the description on every video. I'm also concerned about YouTube not sending out notifications, so I have started putting links to the previous day's videos, depending on how many I made, in the description too, so that if you didn't get a notification and you missed it, you can click on that link and it'll take you to the videos you may have missed. So that's it for the plant milks. And I think tomorrow I may, if I have time today, or I may have to do it tomorrow, do a little review of how I like them all. And I also want to show you how to fortify some. So I will see you later, guys.